Dive into a one-of-a-kind adventure where the mysteries of the ocean meet the charm of the forest and farm. This immersive experience brings together aquatic wonders and land-dwelling giants for a day of discovery, play, and connection. From the shimmering depths to the towering trees, get ready to explore the incredible world of animals in an unforgettable, hands-on journey. Team up for an exciting underwater-themed challenge. Navigate through obstacles to rescue stranded sea creatures and farm animals. Goats were one of the first animals domesticated by humans, originally in the Middle East. Goats can climb steep rocks and trees. Mountain goats live in extreme alpine environments. Goats eat grass, hay, shrubs, leaves, and weeds. Cats were domesticated around 9,000 years ago, likely in the Middle East. Cats are known for being independent but can form strong bonds with humans. Cats purr when they're happy, but also when they're scared or in pain. It may help with healing. Cats sleep 12 to 16 hours a day. Hamsters have expandable cheek pouches that extend all the way to their shoulders, used to store and transport food. Hamsters are the smallest, about 2 inches long, while Syrian hamsters are the largest, up to 7 inches. Hamsters can reproduce very quickly. Gestation is only about 16 to 22 days. Chickens were domesticated around 8,000 years ago, originally from wild jungle fowl in Southeast Asia. Chickens can recognize over 100 faces, solve problems, and learn through observation. Chicken eggs take about 21 days to hatch. Hens don't need a rooster to lay eggs. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters, of water in one go, and they can go up to 2 weeks without water. Camels live for about 40 to 50 years, used for transport, milk, meat, wool, and carrying loads. Donkeys are known for their intelligence and cautious nature. They will often pause and assess situations before acting, which sometimes is mistaken for stubbornness. Donkeys belong to the species Equus africanus asinus, a domesticated member of the horse family. Donkeys are famous for their bray, a loud, distinctive hee-haw sound used for communication, especially over long distances. Whales breathe air through blowholes on top of their heads and must surface regularly to breathe. Whale calves are born underwater after a long gestation period, and mothers nurse them with rich, fatty milk. Whales help maintain healthy ocean ecosystems by cycling nutrients and supporting marine food webs. Snails are mollusks, meaning they have soft bodies, usually protected by a spiral shell. Snails have 2 pairs of tentacles. The longer upper pair has eyes, and the shorter pair is used for smelling and feeling. Snails have a special tongue called a radula, covered in thousands of tiny teeth used to scrape food. Seahorses can change color to blend in with their surroundings, which helps them avoid predators. Seahorses don't have a stomach, so food passes through their body quickly. They need to eat almost constantly. Seahorses range from 0.6 to 14 inches, 1.5 to 35 centimeters in size. Snails are mollusks, meaning they have soft bodies, usually protected by a spiral shell. Snails have two pairs of tentacles. The longer upper pair has eyes, and the shorter pair is used for smelling and feeling. Snails have a special tongue called a radula, covered in thousands of tiny teeth used to scrape food. Starfish have 5 arms, but some species can have up to 40 arms arranged around a central disc. Starfish don't have a brain or blood. Instead, they use a water vascular system to pump nutrients and move around. Starfish eat by pushing their stomach out of their mouth, which is located on their underside, to digest food outside their body. Orcas are top predators with no natural enemies. They hunt seals, fish, squid, and even large whales. Orcas live in close-knit family groups called pods, which can consist of just a few to dozens of members. Orcas are found in oceans all over the world, from the Arctic to the Antarctic, but are most common in colder coastal waters. Turtles generally live in or near water and have webbed feet or flippers, while tortoises live on land and have sturdy elephant-like legs. Turtles are ectothermic, cold-blooded, so they depend on the environment to regulate their body temperature. Turtles don't have teeth. Instead, they have strong, beak-like mouths to bite, tear, or grind food. Dolphins are known for their exceptional intelligence, including problem-solving, communication, and even self-awareness. Dolphins are marine mammals. They breathe air through lungs, give live birth, and nurse their young. Sharks have several rows of teeth that are constantly replaced throughout their lives. Some can lose tens of thousands of teeth. Sharks have special sensory organs called ampullae of Lorenzini that detect electrical fields produced by other animals, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Lobsters are typically brown, green, or bluish in the wild. They only turn red after being cooked due to a pigment called astaxanthin. Lobsters can't scream. The noise some people hear when cooking is steam escaping from the shell. Lobsters eat fish, mollusks, algae, and sometimes even other lobsters. They're not picky eaters. Sawfish slash through schools of fish or stun individual prey with quick sideways swipes of their rostrum. Some sawfish can reach up to 23 feet 7 meters in length, longer than most sharks. Sawfish are found in coastal marine waters, estuaries, and even freshwater rivers and lakes. Sawfish can live for 30 years or more in the wild. Horses have been domesticated for about 5,000 to 6,000 years and were crucial for transportation, farming, and warfare. Horses have large eyes on the sides of their heads, giving them almost 360-degree vision. Horses' hooves are made of keratin, like human nails, and need regular care called hoof trimming. Horses eat grass, hay, grains, and sometimes fruits and vegetables like carrots and apples. Zebras are about 4 to 5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 400 to 850 pounds, 180 to 385 kilograms. Zebras live in groups called herds or harems, often led by a dominant male stallion. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago and have been humans' companions ever since. Dogs have up to 300 million smell receptors, compared to about 6 million in humans. Dogs communicate through barking, growling, whining, body language, and facial expressions. Ducks belong to the family Anatidae, which also includes swans and geese. There are over 120 species of ducks. Ducks have webbed feet that make them excellent swimmers, colorful feathers, while females are usually brown for camouflage. Ducks eat plants, insects, small fish, and crustaceans. Many ducks migrate long distances to find warmer places during winter. Ducks belong to the family Anatidae, which also includes swans and geese. There are over 120 species of ducks. Ducks have webbed feet that make them excellent swimmers. Bulls are mainly used for breeding, and in some cultures, for work or sport, like bullfighting. Bulls can be territorial and aggressive, especially around other males or during breeding season. Bulls eat grass, hay, grains, and silage, just like cows. They have a 4-chambered stomach to help digest tough plant matter. Cows have a unique 4-chambered stomach that helps digest tough plant material like grass. Cows are pregnant for about 9 months. Usually, one calf is born, which can stand and walk within an hour. Cows can find their way home over long distances using the Earth's magnetic field. Cows use different moos to communicate with their calves or other herd members. Cows have a unique 4-chambered stomach that helps digest tough plant material like grass. This immersive experience brings together aquatic wonders and land-dwelling giants for a day of discovery, play, and connection. From the shimmering depths to the towering trees, get ready to explore the incredible world of animals in an unforgettable, hands-on journey. Team up for an exciting underwater-themed challenge. Navigate through obstacles to rescue stranded sea creatures and farm animals, working together to return them to their habitats.